It's now guns blazing at the International Criminal Court hosting Kenyan cases, with President Kenyatta taking on ICC prosecutor Fatou Bensouda in a gloves of claim that prosecution witnesses were turned, their evidence allegedly altered and fabricated, and potential defense witnesses intimidated and interfered with. And Kenyatta's defense team says it has new evidence to back up these claims. In a 38-page submission filed yesterday, Kenyatta says, quote, "The defense is in possession of substantial evidence of a serious, sustained and wide-ranging abuse on the process of the court carried out by prosecution witness 118 and prosecution intermediary and prosecution witnesses 11 and 12. Kenyatta argues that his defense team's evidence will go to show that prosecution witnesses altered their evidence after they received bribes, and part of this evidence is said to have been uncovered through telephone conversations pitting the said prosecution witness number 118 and an intermediary for the prosecution. As such, Kenyatta now wants his case dropped completely, or, in the alternative, the defense requests the trial chamber to hold an evidential hearing entailing the calling of live evidence to determine this issue conclusively prior to the commencement of trial, as the finding of an abuse of process on the current proceedings would necessitate a permanent stay of the proceedings. An evidential hearing on abuse of process would require the calling of live witnesses, including OTP 118, the prosecution intermediary 11 and 12. This ICC question finding its way to debate back home.
Kwamba hiyo kesi wale watu waiangalie vizuri. Na rais hana kazi. Watupatie nafasi. Kenya haina usalama ya kutosha, wapatie nafasi rais apange mambo ya usalama katika taifa la Kenya.
Hata sisi tukiomba vile Biblia inasema Mungu atafungua njia, na deputy president hiyo kesi yake itaisha mapema kuliko vile watu wengine wanafikiria. Hata hii ya president itaenda tu hivyo. Itaenda tu namna hii unaona imekwisha.
My appeal is that if we really has to be tried, why can't the Hague or ICC hold on this case until Uhuru is out of office?
But even as Kenyatta lays claim that prosecution witnesses altered and fabricated evidence, back home, journalist Walter Barasa, himself accused by the prosecution of intimidating and interfering with 3 prosecution witnesses, had his petition seeking to block his arrest referred to High Court Principal Judge Richard Mwongo. The matter will come up in the High Court before Justice Mwongo on Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. Jacky Maribe, Citizen Weekend.